x comma small y be the coordinates of the point P with respect to old axis, and capital X comma capital Y be the coordinates of the point P with respect to new axis, and h comma k is the point to which the origin to be shifted. Then the formulas are small x is equal to capital S plus h and small y is equals to capital Y plus k. Problem: when the origin is shifted to minus 2 comma 3 by the translation of axis, find the coordinates of the point 1 comma 2 with respect to the new axis. So given that when the origin is shifted to minus 2 comma 3, so origin means we take the origin as h comma k, that is h, given that h comma k is equals to minus 2 comma 3, and by the translation of axis, find the coordinates of 1 comma 2 with respect to new axis. Find the coordinates with respect to new axis, that is we want to find the values of capital X comma capital Y with respect to new axis. With respect to new axis means the coordinates are capital X capital Y. Now we have to find these values. Find the coordinates of this point. We have to find the coordinates to this point. That means these are the old coordinates. So already this is taken as small x comma small y. So small x comma small y is equal to 1 comma 2. So the formula is small x is equals to capital X plus h and small y is equals to capital Y plus k. Now we are substituting the values now. X is equals to 1, capital X plus h is equals to minus 2, and y is equals to 2 is equals to capital Y plus k is equals to 3. From this capital X is equals to 1 plus 2. Writing this minus 2 to that side, that becomes plus 2. That is capital X is equals to 3, and here y is equals to 2 minus 3. Writing this plus 3 to that side becomes minus 3. That is y is equals to minus 1. Therefore the coordinates capital X comma capital Y is equals to 3 comma minus 1. Next problem: when the origin is shifted to 2 comma 3 by the translation of axis, the point P changed as 4 comma 5, then find the coordinates of P in the original system. When the origin is shifted to 2 comma 3, that is given that origin means we take the coordinates as h comma k is equals to 2 comma 3. By the translation of axis, the point P changed as 4 comma 5, that is the point P, here the point P changed as 4 comma 5 means we are taking these values as capital X comma capital Y is equals to 4 comma 5. Find the coordinates of P in the original system. Original system means in the old system. So means we want the coordinates of the point with respect to the old axis. That is, we want the coordinates of small x comma small y. Find the coordinates of P in the original system is in the old system. That is, we want small x small y. So we take the formula small x is equals to capital X plus h and small y is equals to capital Y plus k. And then we are substituting the values here. 4 plus 2, x is equals to 4, h is equals to 2, and small y is equals to y plus k, 5 plus 3. Therefore x is equals to 6 and small y is equals to 8. Therefore the coordinates in the old system are small x comma small y is equals to 6 comma 8. Problem: find the point to which the origin is to be shifted so that the point 3 comma 0 may change to 2 comma minus 3. Find the point, we have to find the point to which the origin is to be shifted. So we have to find the coordinates of origin here. Find the point to which the origin is to be shifted. Means we have to find the coordinates of h comma k. So we want to find the origin. So that what is the given condition? So that the point 3 comma 0 may change to 2 comma minus 3. That is, the point 3 comma 0 is changed as 2 comma minus 3. Then what are the coordinates of the origin? So we are taking that small x comma small y is equal to 3 comma 0 and capital X comma capital Y is equals to 2 comma minus 3. Since the point 3, what is the coordinate, what are the coordinates of the origin? So that the point 3 comma 0 may change to 2 comma minus 3. So here this point is changed as this point. So this is the coordinates of the points in the old system and these are the coordinates of the point in the new system. Okay, so we take the formula small x is equals to capital X plus h and small y is equals to capital Y plus k. Now we are substituting the value. Small x is equal to 3. 3 is equals to capital X is equal to 2. 2 plus h and small y is equals to 0 is equals to capital Y is equal to minus 3. Minus 3 plus k. So from this h is equals to 3 minus 2. Writing this plus 2 to this side. 3 minus 2. That becomes minus 2. And here k is equals to 0 plus 3. Writing this minus 3 to that side, that becomes plus 3. That is h is equals to 1 and k is equals to 3. Therefore, required origin h comma k is equals to 1 comma 3.